Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, February the 17th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. We have 3 puzzles left. The tectonic, one of these binaries, and the Killer Sudoku. Yeah, I've already solved the first one, the 3 star Sudoku. Yeah, so it's time for the Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number. This will be number 8022. And for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, we have here 2 given numbers, the 6 in this triple box of 12, and a 3 in this triple box of 24. Alright, so let's get started. First strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. So these 2 big squares I can start. Alright, so let's get started. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. And the total sum of a row is always 45. This big square, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 8 plus 13 is 21. 21 plus 11 is 32. 32 plus 10 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. In this box of 7, the combination here will be 3 plus 4. Let's go do this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 4 plus 16 is 20. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 20 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. In the box of 9, the combination will be 6 plus 3. Okay, now here we have 2 sharing boxes. Here also 2. My next strategy, let me check. Yeah. How about this? No. This. Right. Yeah. I'm looking for boxes with only 1 combination. That's my next strategy. How about the box of 16? Only 1 combination. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. Here the box of 4, only 1 combination. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We have a 3 in this column, last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there, 1 goes there. So now we have 2 boxes left, the box of 7 and the box of 12. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7, of course, so it should be in the box of 12. Combination 8 and a 4, 8 and a 4. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay. Let me see. 10, 13, 10. 9, 12, 11. 13, 12, 9, 12, 6, 15, 26, 8, 14, 10, 11, 5. Well, maybe I can do this. Let me finish this. 13, 8, 13, 5. Maybe I can use this one. 11, 8, 8, 10, 11, 8, 13. Okay. The box of 5. My next strategy G is to look for boxes with two combinations. The box of 5 has two combinations. 4 plus 1 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 3 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 2 and the 3 there. So it should be 4 and a 1. 4 and a 1, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Let's go to this big square. Well, the 2 and the 3, I cannot use the 2 and the 3 because we have 3 in this row, the third row, so I cannot place the 2 and the 3 there, so it should be 4 and a 1. 4 and a 1, well, we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Okay, now 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only 3 places left, the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have two numbers in this quadro box, the 4 and the 3. That means 4 plus 3 is 7. 24 minus 7 is 17. 17 plus 7 is equal to 24. Well, 17. The box of 17. Only one combination, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. Well, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9, okay. So here we have a 9. Here we have a 9. That means in this column we need a 9. In one of those two boxes. Well, can I place the 9 in the box of 8? So it should be here in the box of 14. The 9. In the box of 14... the combination here will be 9 plus 5. Okay. Now, this big square, we have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So, 11 plus 9 is 20, plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33, plus 5 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. This box should be a 7. In the box of 8, the combination here will be 7 plus 1. Okay. So two numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Cannot place the 2 in the box of 13. Otherwise, the combination will be 2 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. In the box of 15, the combination here will be 5 plus 8. So here can be 8. Okay. So 8 and a 9. And a 4. Okay. We have two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 and 7. 6 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Okay, so here in the third row we have two boxes left. The box of 13 and the box of 11. One of the missing number is the number 8. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 11, otherwise combination will be 8 plus 3. The 3 is already used in the third row. So the 8 should be in the box of 13. Combination 8 and 5. 8 and a 5. So the other pair should be the 9 and the 2. Okay. Now, one of the missing number in this big... Oh, no. 5 in one of those two boxes in the third row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only two places left for the 5 should be here in the box of 8. Combination 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7. Okay. All right. Let me think. 7 and 3. Yeah, 7 should be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this row. 7 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. If I place the 7 here in the box of 10, then the combination will be 7 plus 3. The 3 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 7 there. 7 should be in the box of 11. Combination 7 and a 4. 7 and a 4. Now we have two boxes left in this big square, the box of 8 and the box of 10. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8. Should be in a box of 10. Combination 9 and 1. 9 and 1. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left. In this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So here can be 9. So 1 digit left. We have the 1 and the 7. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 should be there. Okay, so the 8 and the 9 are left. Yeah. Correct. Okay. So, let me see. Need a 6 there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6. Otherwise, the combination will be 6 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 6 should be here in the box of 15. The combination here will be 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes in the box of 12. So the combination here will be 9 and a 3. 9 and 3 is equal to 12. Okay, need a 1 here. 1 there. Yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12. Otherwise, the combination will be 1 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Should be in a box of 9. So the combination here will be 1 plus 8. Alright. One of the missing number. Is the 2 in this big square? Well, I cannot place the 2 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. So the only place left for the 2 in this big square should be there. In the box of 6, the combination here will be 2 plus 4. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10. Should be in a box of 11. Combination 5 and a 6. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 7 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for almost 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 10. We have, 2 and an 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 8 and a 5, we have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 7. And now. Let me see. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then. Yeah, I'm thinking. I need a 6 here. 6 here or 6 there? 6 and a 4, yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left of the 6 will be here and there. We have a 6 in the in this column, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. If I place the 6 here in the box of 10, then the combination will be 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. The 4, I cannot place the 4 here because we have a 4 in this column. So it's not an option to place the 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. In the box of 11, combination will be 6 plus 5. So 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. If I place the 7 in the box of 9, then the combination will be 7 plus 2. And look, the 2 is already used in this row, so I cannot place the 7 there. The 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. In the box of 9, the combination will be 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. In the box of 12, the combination here will be 7 plus 5. So we have, wait, let me see, 8 and 4. We have 6, the 7, yeah, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, 7 goes in the box of 10, combination 7 and 3. 7 and a 3, we have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 and a 8, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, 4 and the 9 are missing then. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 and a 3, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left with 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 is missing also. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Alright. Then the 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left of the 2 goes in the box of 10, combination 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in this column, middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and a 4, we have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 9. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time, because I thought I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, faster than 20 minutes should be a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.